Today we're going to slap a set of shotgun pipes on the homie Jeremiah's VT600. So the first step is to completely disassemble the bike, but we've already done that and reassembled it. So now we're at the point where we're going to chop this guy off because the passenger peg gets in the way of the shotgun pipes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Make some sparks and stuff because that's what everyone on YouTube loves. There you go. That's what you have left. It's really beautiful paint though. It's a shame we had to cut it off. So the next step is to remove these gloves, because you got to be OSHA approved. And we're going to unwrap our setsy pipes from this paper. So I'm going to leave most of the paper on for now until we get the pipes together. Prevents you from getting fingerprints all over them and all that crap. So let's get our nuts and spacers, which are conveniently located in my parking lot. Gonna get a spacer and a nut. Put this pipe right up in here. Get the collar on the studs. Push the collar up. There we go. Now I'm going to put that spacer and nut on the bottom stud first. There we go. And you don't want to tighten all the way, because if you tighten it all the way, this stud will get too close to the edge of the pipe. You can't get this guy on. So now you're going to thread this one on, spacer first, then the nut. Getting there. Okay, we are about finger tight. Sweet. Now for the front pipe. Ooh, a little dust in there. So again, I'm not going to take everything off, so it protects the pipe while I'm installing it. Obviously, when you ride it, things can hit it. It's going to get wet. You know, you're going to wear rain pants, you're going to leave a stupid mark on it like I did once. But for now, you can leave all this on, protect the pipes. What are these? These are Street Sweeper shotgun pipes for the VT600. They're chrome finish. Something that you might find useful when you're installing these pipes is if you tip the front pipe up like this, you can get to that lower stud a lot easier with your left hand, right hand. If you have a friend who's holding it, that's even better. But you're going to thread the nut onto the lower stud first, and then the top one. You can drop it back down. As you can see, this is a really involved, difficult process. I barely even break any sweat at this point. Okay. Just a little bit of a crank. So we want to get both pipes to where they move a little bit. So something else you might want to take note of here, to get to the lower exhaust stud, come around the back side of me, my back side. That stud there, if you want to reach it and you have an extension on here, there you go. Don't have enough room here on this little stubby guy to get in there. So you can still move the pipe. Bottom one can still move. So when you're tightening the rear pipe, a crow's foot wrench is very useful. So you can get into the exhaust, the nuts that go in the exhaust studs Otherwise, a socket, you may have a little more difficulty with that. So I'm going to swap out for the crow's foot here. And I'm going to move the paper on this. There we go. A little bit so I can see it. And I'm going to tighten these down a little bit. Making sure I still have movement. All right, so now we've snugged the nuts down on the front and the rear pipe. You can see I can move the front pipe a little bit, but if I move it and let go, it holds its position. Same with the rear pipe. So now we're going to set where we want the pipes to be. For this, we take this stuff off. The reveal. Ooh. So leave this plastic on here. Step back so I can see this. Okay. Oh, that was nice. Cool. So once you have the pipe set at the angle, direction you want, it's completely up to you. You don't have to do this. You can have one pipe pointing forward if you really want. It's totally freaking weird though. So now I'm going to get in here and tighten down all the nuts.
Don't go crazy with it.
Huh.
Don't want to scratch them.
Huh?
I don't want to scratch them.
No.
Can't give it a sound. Wow. Chrome's going to look great on this pipe.
Woo!
Dang.
Don't do drugs and stay in school. Just kidding, forget I said that. This video has been how to install our street sweeper shotgun pipes on a VT600. You can pick them up at shoptjbc.com. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you ever called a chopper a bobber, hit that subscribe button. Do fun shit, guys.